Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to put your device on a lock screen. To do this, tap on the Start button, then go to Power Options and select Lock. And this will put your device on the lock screen. Now alternatively, you can use a shortcut on your keyboard which contains two keys, Windows and L buttons. So press Windows and L buttons at the same time, and this will also put your device on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.